I'm going to show you how to change the textures on this bulletin board to the picture that you want to change it to. Okay, first off, the picture that you want to change, you need to save it as a TGA file. Let me show you. Okay, this is a logo I want to add. You need to resize it to 512 by 256 pixels. I've already done that, so I just wanted to show you. Okay, next thing you need to do is open up Milkshape and open up the DXG file of the model that you want to change the textures to. So you import it. So this is the one I'm going to use. Okay, there it is right there. Okay, first thing you do is you need to rename the groups to the file name you're going to use. Okay, that's the name I'm using, James Construction and 211 board. Okay, now come over to materials, click that, change it down here too. Click rename. It'll change the name up here, James 211 board. Okay, then come down to here, so the wireframe is shown. Come down here, click select, so the wireframe's highlighted, it's one set, so you're okay. Then you click assign, come over here where it says Malcolm, it'll change as you click through. Okay, now you want to tell it the picture you want to use, so it's this one right here, it's on my desktop. Click open, see now it shows on the model. Check it. Okay. Now you need to export it to your desktop. Same name. And then click this arrow, write it again. Click OK. Now you're done. Now all you got to do is use the SLT to DXG converter, and that'll get it in game. Okay, now that you got the texture you want on the model, now you need to convert it. So the first thing you need to do is make a folder and name it to that texture that you just changed. Now get the picture that you use, put it in that folder, in the SLT file for Milkshape, put it in the same folder. Okay, now you need to open up the SLT converter. So go to the Mx Unleashed folder, shortcut, takes you to the main directory, and that's where the SLT converter should be. That's where you place it. Okay, now click it open. Down here, come to where it says create a pack file. Click that, and then come up here. Click the green button. Now you got to tell your program where the file is. It's on desktop and it's in there. Now you click on the SLT file, click open, and it converts it for you. This is when you know down here it says this. That's when you know you're done. So you close that, go back to the file, and this is what it does after it converts it. So it's ready to be put in game. You just got to rename the pack files. Always change it, never leave it my models. So I'm going to name it the same file name. Okay, and then down here the lib, same thing, rename it. So the two packs and the lib are the same name. Okay, now open up the lib file. do the same thing over here, name it the same. Okay. Save it. Okay. Okay, after you got all that done, to get it in game, first open it again, copy the lib line, and then go to into your game, to the media folder. You want the model lib. Open it. If you want to add the text you just highlighted, put it up here. I put it on top. You can put it on the bottom if you want, with a space. So now you got that right there, and you click save. Okay, now go back to that folder on desktop, copy the lib file, put it in your model file, your media file, folder file, and then come to the data folder, get the pack file, put it in your pack, and then click save. Okay, you're done with that. Okay, now you go in game. I'm opening up the editor. You can go into objects. And since I put it on top, it's listed on the top. There it is. That's how you put it in game. It applies to basically any models. When you're working with Milkshape and you go to export it and it crashes, 9 times out of 10 that means that the picture that you're trying to use is a bad picture, so try a different picture and it should work.